At number 3 and 4, what students like to do incorrectly. First, always check for distributing correctly a negative. A negative to a positive is a -6, so that's correct. A negative to another negative is a positive here, that's correct. Always check for those things. Here's the mistake right here. You don't add or subtract to the same side. The student should have combined like terms. Okay, that's what you should put. The student should have combined like term. That is 6 plus 6 equals to 12. Not make zeros. Okay? On the same side of the equal sign. So that means you distribute, you get negative 6x, bring down the 6. You get positive 6 equals to 7 minus 6x. The student should have combined these to make 12 minus 6x equals to 7 minus 6x. Add 6x to both sides. Add 6x to both sides. She could have gotten 12 equals to 7. That's not true. So the answer is no solution, because 12 does not equal to 7. Number 4, let's see what this child did. Oh, they first made it improper. That's good. They multiplied by 6. They forgot to multiply the last number by 6. This one also by 6. So that should have been 12 instead of 2. Okay? This should have been 12. So first they make it improper. Multiply, add, multiply, add. 4 over 3 equals to 11 over 6 minus 2n. Then multiply each one of them by 6, because that's the least common denominator, is 6. So you got 4 over 3 times 6. That's your first one here. Okay, cross cancel, you get 2, you get 8. That first one answers 8. And then you got 11 over 6 times 6. That's the second one here. Cross cancel, you get 11. Then the minus this last one here. 2 times 6 is 12n. Now you make zeros. You minus 11 to both sides. Gives you 0. 0 minus 12n is a negative 12n, equals to negative 3. The last thing you do is divide. Divide by a negative 12. Divide by negative 12. N equals to 1 over 4. Positive, because 2 negative is a positive. Like that. It's one solution. Because you fill in how you describe this as one solution. Many students describe it different ways for you to remember. Number 5. Hey, they did it right, look. They multiply all of them by 8. 23, cross cancel here. It's 4, that's 36, that's correct, that's 24. Oh, look at their mistake right here. Their mistake is not up here. Their mistake is right here. They should have, they got rid of this side. That leaves them nothing there. That's a 0. Then if they're going to put that, they put the equal sign in the middle here. No, that should have not gone there. Should have equaled a 0 here. And that should have stayed a minus, and that made it more difficult. So they got rid of the wrong number. They should have gotten rid of the minus 36, not this is what the problem equal to. You leave that alone. Okay, you need to get rid of the 36, the part where the variable is. The student made 0 to the wrong number. That's the answer. You don't make 0 to the answer, the solution. The student made 0 to the solution. The student should have made 0 to the to the number on the variable side. Whatever you want to put here. Okay? So everything they did right. So this is 23 over 8 equals to 9 over 2 minus 3n. And the least common denominator is 8. They multiply all of the terms by 8. That is correct. Cross cancel. It leaves you 23 equal cross cancel. That's 4. 4 times 9 is 36 minus 24n, because 8 times 3. Then they should have minus 36 to both sides. That leaves you 0. 0 plus minus 24n is negative 24n equals to negative 13. Divide by negative 24, divide by negative 24. You can't reduce. The only thing you reduce is you make these two positives. N equals to positive 13 over 24. Okay, this is one solution. And you explain how you know it's one solution in your own words. Okay, let's see what they did wrong here. Okay, look for distributive property. You distribute, that's the parentheses, that's a negative 4, that's correct. Distribute a negative to a negative, should have been a positive. That's where the mistake is, right there. Highlight it. Okay, that should have been a plus. So, student should have the student should have distribute negative 1 to negative 7 and get a positive 7, not a minus 7. Okay, so here we go. Let's do this problem. Let's combine these. Distribute first, of course. Always distribute first. That's negative 4, positive 7k. Okay, you can, on this side, you can combine like terms. You can go 3 and a negative 7. 3 and negative 7, you should get negative 4. The 3k, notice, one I cross out, one I circle, so I can see them clearly. That gets me positive 7k. That's the same thing here. Okay, you have to minus 7k, minus 7k. Look, these guys are identical already. So we know it's infinite solution. That's 0, 0. Negative 4 plus 0 is negative 4. And negative 4 plus 0 is negative 4. This is infinite solution because negative 4 does equal to negative 4. You could substitute any number and you'll get the answer. Okay? Here we go. Distribute negative and a negative is a positive. Good. Negative and a negative here is a positive. That's good. It's right so far. Okay. Okay, that's correct. So combine these together. It gets 0. Okay, that's correct. They don't have to write the 0. So far so good. You get 6. Okay, you can write the 0 to help you out, but you don't have to. Then minus 6x here's the problem. Alrighty, so this is the problem right here. Okay, the student subtract wrong. 6x minus 6x equals to 0, not x. Alrighty. So, you do this, you distribute, that's negative 6x. That's a positive 9. Negative 9 equals to 9 plus 6x. Combine these, like terms, you get 0 minus 6x equals to 9 minus 6x. Plus 6x. Oh, did I type this wrong? Oh, I sure did. That's a negative right there. So that's a positive. Sorry, I typed this wrong. That should have been a negative, so that should have been a positive. It's a positive 2. Copied it wrong. Okay, then we need to get rid of the variable minus 6x. Minus 6x. 0 plus 0 is 0 equals to 9 plus 0 is 9. No solution because 0 does not equal to 9. Okay, let's look at the next one here. What error did they make? Okay, always look for distribute. Right here, that's 8x, that's good. 4 times 2. Oh no, half of you did this. You forget to multiply to the second number. That should have not stayed a 2, that should have been an 8. Okay, so let's do this correctly. That was an easy one. We found the easy mistake right there. Let's do it correctly. Distribute first. You get 8h minus 8, 4, and 8h minus 4. This and this get you negative 4 plus 8h. 8h minus 4. Minus 8h minus 8h. 0 minus 4 is negative 4. Negative 4 plus 0 is negative 4. Infinite solution because